How to clean a magnetic tempered glass case. Hello all, you are on the Androidncomp channel. A magnetic tempered glass case gets dirty quickly, covered in greasy finger marks and greasy streaks. In this video I will tell you and show you how to clean a magnetic tempered glass case with the most common cleaning products. Wet wipes. Wet wipes will help remove light to medium soiling. Hygienic wipes can be used for cleaning. However, sanitary wipes contain moisturizing oils and leave a sticky effect after cleaning. Therefore, the best choice is specialized wipes for cleaning office equipment. Procedure. Take the wet wipe out of the package. Wipe the cover on both sides with the damp cloth. Also wipe the frame of the cover. If necessary, clean the inside of the cover. Wipe the case clean with a dry cloth or a microfiber cloth to remove moisture. Screen care products. The screen cleaner is suitable for cleaning medium soiling since there is no alcohol in the product, only detergents. Procedure. Spray the screen cleaner on a soft cloth or microfiber cloth. Wipe the case on all sides. If necessary, wipe the inside of the case. Wipe up any remaining moisture with the dry side of the wipe or a soft towel. Antiseptic and concentrated alcohol. An antiseptic or sanitizer and concentrated alcohol can help remove any dirt. Antiseptics or sanitizers contain alcohol in different concentrations, 60%, 65%, or 70%. Concentrated isopropyl alcohol contains up to 99% of alcohol. Procedure. Soak a napkin or cotton pad in antiseptic or concentrated alcohol. Antimicrobial wipes with 70% of alcohol may also be used. Wipe all sides of the cover with the cloth. If necessary, clean the inside of the cover. Cleaning with concentrated alcohol should be done outdoors or in a ventilated room. It is important not to breathe alcohol vapors and to avoid getting drops of alcohol in your eyes or open wounds. Use a dry or microfiber cloth to wipe off any remaining moisture. That's all I wanted to tell and show you. Write in the comments how often you have to clean your magnetic tempered glass case. Also, watch other equally interesting videos on this channel. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.